Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how quickly and easily remove a watermark from an image to make it look more professional. Let's say you have an image like this, and you want to remove the watermark. To do this, use a website called Watermark Remover.io. Once you're on the site, simply upload your image by dragging and dropping it into the box. The tool will automatically detect and remove the watermark for you. Now it will process, so be patient. As you can see, the watermark has now been successfully removed from the image. To download the image, click Download Image, and it will be saved to your computer. Now, you can see original picture which you give and watermark removed image. And that's it. That's how you can remove watermarks from your images in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up, leave a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video. Goodbye.